Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm Iman Abbas, your head girl for year 2024 to 2025. Well, my journey at Hybro started in 2021 when I came here as a fresher in my O-levels, and since then it has been a daily routine of coming to college, hanging out with your friends, taking classes and heading back home. So I can say that Hybro has been like a second home to me, to a point that my parents were like, you spend more time at Hybro than at home. Well, there's one question I get asked quite often is why Hybro? My answer is quite simple, the star faculty were offered there, what more? But you know what, Hybro is not just academics, it builds you socially. Personally for me, I used to be a socially introverted kid who used to come to college, take her classes and go back home. But see how Hybro has helped me break through my shell. And lastly, how can I forget about the community at Hybro? The people here, from staff to teachers, counseling department, everyone is ready to lend you a helping hand at any time. So they sure were the best part of Hybro. And lastly, since my time here is coming to an end soon, I like to thank Hybro for these amazing 4 years and a bag full of memories that I'll leave with. Oh, and by the way, here's Umair Ahmed, your head boy, so over to him now.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and this is Umair Ahmed from Hybro College, currently the head boy of Hybro College, but it wasn't really always like this. You see, I entered this A-levels college as just any other ordinary boy. But again, who would know that this ordinary boy in this A-level college would actually end up becoming the head boy of this college. Now, as a pre-medical student, academics has always been my utmost priority. But it's not only academics, right? You see, you have to be a well-rounded individual, and that is what Hybro offers. It offers all sorts of opportunities for a student to actually excel in every field of their life, whether it be academics, whether it be extracurriculars, it be sports, everything. And that is what Hybro offers, and it actually amplified my own personality as it is. So this was Umair Ahmed, the head boy of Hybro College, and best of wishes to all of you.
Hello everyone, Abdullah here. It's been 1.5 years at Hybro College, and I think it's safe to say that it's been quite the experience. I've had so much fun along the way. College life is not just about academics or extracurriculars. It's mostly about the friends you make along the way, the experiences you have, the memories you make. Hybro College has truly been a place that has challenged and inspired me to be the best version of myself. And I'm really excited to see what Hybro College has in store for you guys.
Hello everyone, my name is Sayan Sadiq and I am a student at Hybro College A2. There's something to be said about a place where you have spent 2 years of your life. इस skybox को ही देख लें, ये हमने paint किया है. But one thing that I like about Hybro College is its students' diversity. Hey you! Students here come from different schools, colleges and backgrounds. Yet they find it very easy to fit in due to the extracurricular activities, orientation and the friendly nature of the students. And all of this happens because of the counseling and placement department. Thank you to them. Well, that's all from my side.
So as we know, Hybro has its own counseling department. Either it's academics or career counseling. Our counselors have it all covered. Moreover, university placements. Our counseling department provides us with our most preferred universities and our respective courses.
Hi everyone, this is Umama Yusuf, a final year student at Hybro College. If I was asked what's the best thing about Hybro College, I would say the community. The staff, the faculty, the friends, they helped me solve all my problems and make lively memories. Every day, the student affairs will make sure that I attended my classes regularly so that I can excel in my exams. Whether it be mid-exams, CI results, or class attendance, all the answers would lie behind the same door. The student affairs played a very important role in helping us reach where we are now. And now, I'm leaving Hybro College with a camera roll full of memories.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Rayyan Hussain, an A2 student at Hybro College.
In my 2 years, what attracted me the most were the extracurricular activities. Our ECA department has got it all, from sports to multiple societies like arts, performing arts, community service, literary, and many more. These are activities which are not just fun activities but opportunities to develop your skill set like leadership skills, teamwork skills, problem solving skills, which will be much needed in the future. So as my time here is coming to an end, I'd like to thank Hybro College for providing me with memories that I'll cherish forever. Thank you very much.